This is keypad door lock. We can use this to control relays and door lock. In the place of relays, we can keep fans, lights, etc. And we can change password of these relays. And we can change password of lock also. Okay. Now, if we enter 1, 2, 3, 4, relay 1 will on. And 2, 3, 4, 5, relay 2 will on. And if you press the same password again, 1, 2, 3, 4, relay 1 will off. And 2, 3, 4, 5, relay 2 will off. If you press any wrong password like 3691, it will show wrong code. We can operate door lock with this also. If you press 4, 5, 6, 7, the lock will open. And after 3 seconds, automatically it will close. If you want to change password, we need to press on C. And we need to press password to change the code of relays. It is 2003 2011. And we need to select relays. To which relay we need to change password, we need to select the relay number. Example 1. And we need to enter new code. Example 2580. The code is saved. Before the code is 1, 2, 3, 4. But it won't work now, because we changed the code. Now it is 2580. Relay 1 on. In this way we can control relays, door locks, and we can change passwords of the relays. Now the relay 2 code is 2345. Before we changed it. Relay 2 on. 2345, relay 2 off. So relay 2 code is 2345. After changing 2003 2011, we are selecting relay 2 and new code is 7890. Code is saved. Now if we press 2345 before code, it will show wrong code. If we press changed code, new code 7890, relay 2 will be on. And if you press again the same code 7890, relay 2 will off. Thank you.